with Adam James. Adam is the new Managing Director of Bar Graphic Machinery. Hello, Adam. I know this is your third day on the job, so you're fairly new, but you're not new to the labels industry. Can you tell us a little bit about your career in the industry?
Yes, certainly. So I started in the year 2000 at Amberley Labels down in Dorset. Stores and dispatch in the afternoon, and then worked my way up through the shop floor. Trained on a 4200 Mark Andy as a lead flexo operator, and then had the opportunity to come off the shop floor and go down production control or production management route. So I've done that till 2009, and then in 2009 I joined CS Labels as production manager. In 2015 operations director, and then in September 21 managing director once the business was sold to the Stereo Group. So I've started my way at the bottom, worked all the way up to the top, doing labels and pouches over that time. So yeah, 25 years as a user and operator is interesting.
So you're crossing to the other side at the moment. So from being a printer, working for printers, you're now working for the manufacturer. How do you think you can use your experience in growing business for BGM?
Okay, so I think obviously being from the shop floor base, obviously I'm operations through and through. So I know what an operator needs, but then also recently, in the last 10 years, I know what a business requires as well. So for me, being able to bring new products out into the market from an operator's and business perspective to help the operator obviously do their day to day. Because if we can make the operator's life easier, you only get more throughput, more product out the door, faster, quicker, you could sell more. So for me, having that experience and having a fantastic engineering team back obviously at BGM head office, for me we'll be able to obviously have a positive influence on the industry, but also be a little bit disruptive in the sense that we can do a lot of bespoke work as well, using my experience but also listening to what the customer's requirements are. We're coming up with a solution that's going to work for their business, rather than just saying this is a machine, this will do what it says. We want to listen, design, and create.
The company was recently in August acquired by Duplo. What do you expect will benefit the business from the takeover?
In the short term, just their support and obviously the transition from obviously Anne-Marie and Bill obviously into myself. Longer term, yes, there is obviously the talk about Japan. In 2, 3, 4 years there could be a move, some standard machines being made over there, but obviously that we don't know yet. Nothing's obviously been agreed. So we just need to grow the sales to start off with, and then decide where we go at that point.
I know it's very early in your tenure here in BGM, but
yes.
In a few words, what are the machines on show here?
Okay, so we've got 3 machines here. The noisy machine in the background is a blank die cut machine with a semi-automatic turret, which is a fantastically well-engineered machine, but it's just mainly for blank labels. The machine just to my left here is a Labelexpo ISR slitter. So obviously we've got the camera inspection equipment on there. It will run 250 meters a minute. The beauty about this particular camera is it's got a light inside which will shine from the front but also from the back. So we can inspect the backing paper as well as just the face. So this is more of our bread and butter at the moment at BGM, and this is one of our biggest sellers. And then the machine behind you is a 550 ISR. This is a new machine. So it's 550 wide. It has a meter unwind. So for some big flexo presses, wide presses, you don't have to stop and start the machine so often, because you can put a meter roll on there and run it through onto a duplex rewind. So these are the 3 machines that we currently have on site. In 2 years' time, we're going to have a lot more machines.